Welcome to the strategic realm where machinery and reliability intertwine, the world of optimal maintenance, where wizards, maintenance engineers, reliability experts, and operations sorcerers cast spells to optimize the maintenance of assets, ensuring they function at peak performance with minimal downtime. Imagine a world where mathematical models and predictive enchantments guide the alchemy of reliability. In the kingdom of reliability, optimal maintenance stands as the guide, leveraging the art of preventive, corrective, and predictive maintenance to maximize the lifespan of assets while minimizing costs. Let's embark on a journey through the enchanted domains where wizards of optimal maintenance deploy their reliability spells. Preventive maintenance incantations, casting spells to ward off wear and tear. Picture wizards casting spells to ward off wear and tear with preventive maintenance incantations. Optimal maintenance involves scheduling regular inspections and replacements to proactively address potential issues, preventing breakdowns and extending the life of assets. Corrective maintenance sorcery, healing spells for unforeseen breakdowns. Envision wizards casting healing spells for unforeseen breakdowns with corrective maintenance sorcery. Optimal maintenance includes corrective actions taken in response to unexpected failures, minimizing downtime and restoring assets to their optimal state. Predictive maintenance enchantment, reading the signs in the magical runes of data. Imagine wizards reading the signs in the magical runes of data with predictive maintenance enchantment. Optimal maintenance practitioners use predictive analytics and sensor data to foresee potential issues, enabling proactive interventions and eliminating the need for unnecessary maintenance. Reliability-centered magic, unveiling the core of asset performance alchemy. Picture wizards unveiling the core of asset performance alchemy with reliability-centered magic. Optimal maintenance involves applying reliability-centered maintenance (RCM) principles, identifying critical components and optimizing maintenance strategies based on their impact on overall system performance. Optimization spells, balancing maintenance costs and asset performance. Envision wizards balancing maintenance costs and asset performance with optimization spells. Optimal maintenance practitioners use mathematical models and optimization techniques to find the sweet spot, ensuring that maintenance efforts are cost-effective while maximizing asset reliability. Applications in manufacturing, transportation, energy, and beyond, crafting reliability spells across realms. Picture wizards crafting reliability spells across realms in manufacturing, transportation, energy, and beyond with optimal maintenance. Operations sorcerers apply optimal maintenance techniques to diverse industries, ensuring the reliability of machinery and systems critical to their operations. Optimal maintenance is like prolonging the magic of reliability, where wizards use a combination of preventive, corrective, and predictive techniques to keep assets functioning at their best. As you step into the enchanted world of optimal maintenance, prepare to witness the convergence of reliability runes and strategic maintenance, the magic of ensuring that the machinery of the realm operates seamlessly. Are you ready to explore the realms where maintenance spells unveil the secrets of optimal reliability?